Hello and welcome to Unsupervised Shenanigans. This is Jay. Today I am at a print shop and I am recording the sounds of different machines. So there's going to be some pauses. Well, I'm going to pause it, so it might not be a pause for you. It might just be a straight through. The sound you're hearing right now is a color printer. It's pretty big. It fits, I don't know, take about 6 people standing next to each other to, be able to touch elbows. I'm going to come back to this one a little later so you can hear what it sounds like as it's starting up from a resting position. But this is generally the sound of a color printer. This sound is the laminator. This is the sound of the jogger. This is the sound of the black and white printers. This is the sound of the heat-activated die press. We're going to go one more time. This is the sound of the stomper. Oh, and the press thing. This is the sound of the 3-blade cutter. This is the sound of the binder. This is the general noises as you're just walking through the print shop. There are all the different machines running. This is the sound of another 3-knife cutter. So we're circling back to the sounds of the color printer. And also that's the sound of a mouse clicking, not a real mouse. It's mechanical. Because I wanted you to be able to hear this without the sounds of the laminator in the background. So we're going to listen to it from the startup to just kind of hearing it hum. It is one of the quieter machines here. Here's the sounds of a guillotine style hydraulic cutter. This is the sound of the space that creates all of the hydraulic pressure in the building. This is the sound of a cart rolling. This is the forklift and the garage door opening. This is a casing in machine. This is an end sheet maker. And that concludes the sounds of the print shop. Okay, I lied. We got one more. This is the hinge crimper. And we're not going to play for you the sound of we're not going to play the French flap crimper. First off, I don't think there is any current French flap jobs through, and also the sound is so annoying that makes not just babies cry, everyone cries. Thank you for joining us. I hope you enjoyed these sounds and hope they don't bring you nightmares. Thanks.